This is all the same. You just notice the color scheme is orange. You have your sampled NO, your NO2, and your oxygen. That hasn't changed. You just now see the two dual cassettes. The other advantage that we have on this update is the calibration, which you guys are going to like. So previously you're doing every 2 weeks, now it's every 28 days. So one less thing to do when that time rolls around, but you'll also still have the timestamps as well on there. Another added benefit is under the settings tab, if there is a leak detected, it will alarm as well, like if you have a low NO alarm. But if you swing over to the settings tab, it'll say leak detected here. So that's your cue to double check your lines and make sure there's no leaks. And this is another one that I love is the alarm feature. So when you do have, if you want to kind of troubleshoot and look at some of the alarm information, if you click on that alarm info tab, it actually walks you through each alarm that comes up. So for instance, a low NO alarm, if you tap low NO, it actually gives you on-screen prompts to troubleshoot. And like in this one, for instance, you have a low NO alarm. It actually prompts you on what to do. So did retightening both of the connections fix the problem? If you hit no, it just prompts you to the next step on what to fix. We'll just say I fixed the connection, hit yes, and then it will clear that from there. You can also access the troubleshooting part from the alarm itself. So I'm going to make an occlusion alarm. Once we have an alarm pop up on the screen itself, you can actually tap it and it will take you directly to those troubleshooting steps. So that way it gives you all that added benefit of information so you can quickly troubleshoot during your transport if something does come up. With that, I'll wait for this alarm. It takes about a few more seconds. Do you guys have any other general questions about the device? Cassettes are going to be a lot smaller in your pack, so it's going to be more compact for you. Footprint, of course, is going to be the same. Your battery life is 4 to 6 hours for each console, so on average. There we go. So an alarm, you have your alarm silence, of course, but if you were to tap the header bar, it brings you up to that troubleshooting page. That's the added benefit of this software. So it's going to ask you, you want to verify that the valve is open, and let's say I forgot to open it, I hit yes, and then it'll autocorrect itself from there. All right, cool.